Hello, and welcome to this quick overview of the MyAgFood.ie portal. Today, we are exploring the main landing page. This is the page you see before logging into your account. It is designed to give you fast access to key updates, support tools, and department applications without any delay. You do not need to log in to see critical deadlines. Right here on the public landing page, the Important Dates panel highlights upcoming scheme windows, such as BIS, TAMS, or annual census opening and closing dates. This keeps your compliance timeline front and center. You will also find the Popular Items section links you to high-use resources. This is where you can find direct access to DAFM apps like AgriSnap. If you encounter trouble getting into your account, the help logging and resources are also housed here to guide you through user retrieval and two-factor authentication steps. As we scroll down, we come to the featured area. Think of this as the main notice board for the website. The topics listed here change over time, depending on the season and what is currently most important for Irish farmers. For example, during peak times, you might see highlighted information on financial supports, family assistance, disease management, or diversity in agriculture. It is always worth a quick glance when you visit the site to stay up to speed with the latest news. Next up is the Schemes and Services section. This area provides a comprehensive overview of all the different grants, funds, and services available to you once you log into your personal MyAgFood account. It breaks down the details of these main offerings so you know exactly what to expect. For instance, you can find information here on environmental schemes like Acres or look into capital investment grants like TAMS 3. It serves as an excellent reference point to understand the requirements before you start your digital application. Finally, looking at the main navigation, you will find the main menu button located at the very top right of the page. Tapping or clicking this button expands the menu, making it easy to quickly find direct contact info, specific department services, or step-by-step help guides. And that is the overview tour of the MyAgFood landing page. Everything you need to get informed is right here at your fingertips, even before you enter your details. When you are ready to manage your herd, apply for schemes, or check your payments, just head straight to the login button at the top of the page. Thanks for watching.